completely 100% focused on doing the backsplash in the kitchen. So it was a great work involving lifting the countertop because that side was a little bit lower. And while the countertop guys came, they also drilled the hole for the garbage disposal air switch that was missing. So we have the niche that goes over the range. Looks pretty good. And also on this side, we have the backsplash that goes all around the window. Next week, we hope to finish all the things that are missing from the cabinetry point of view, which is lowering the panel all the way down to the window trim, finishing this, a few other details in the cabinets, and then we can continue painting the cabinets that are missing. Hopefully we get all the plumbing fixtures, so those could be installed too, and also the electrical fixtures. Also, the hole we had in here after moving that air inlet was repaired. Those 4 tiles were replaced, and this shower is now ready. Thank you for watching, and we'll see us next week.